Hey there everybody, it's Andrew here from andrewplimmer.com. I hope you're having an awesome day. I'm coming to you from my lounge room today. Got my little buddy here, my little poodle. Hey, today's title of the video is Stop Striving for Perfection Before You Take Action. And I think this is a pretty important message, especially when it comes to video. I know that was something that stymied me, if you like. I thought that every video had to be perfect right from day one, and consequently, not as many videos got published as they should have, as there should have been. And you know, it's just practice makes perfect, and I'm not saying that I'm there yet at all, but I can see my improvement every day just by getting more used to the camera, being more sort of comfortable, if you like, in my own shoes, talking to people about what I think about, well, primarily about affiliate marketing and video content. But you know, it's common knowledge now, and it's obvious that video especially is the way to go. And of course, what stops people mostly is the fear of putting themselves in front of a camera. And look, it is a weird feeling at first. It's really, really weird. I know I felt incredibly uncomfortable talking to the camera, but it is getting easier every day. And if I hadn't have taken imperfect action, you know, or likewise with you, if you don't take imperfect action, how can you possibly get better at what you do? Sorry about that, there's a helicopter flying over. But, you know, once again, that's a perfect example. In most instances, with most people, especially when they're getting started, would have stopped the video and not uploaded it because of the helicopter. I mean, it doesn't really matter. And of course, when you first start your YouTube channel, nobody's going to be watching anyway. It's more importantly that you get the videos up there for your own peace of mind, and so that you can watch your own improvement and see how you're getting better. But I mean, taking action over striving for perfection is just so important with all forms of everything in life. You know, it's a bit like saying, oh, I can't go to the gym because I haven't got the right coloured shoes or something, or you know, I can't. You know, I can't shoot a video because I haven't got a fancy video camera. It's just excuses. Or I can't make a blog post, or because I don't know if I'm a good writer or not. It does not matter. Just get the content out there, be consistent, and do it regularly. And you know, that's how you'll improve. That's how you'll learn. And don't be scared or fearful of negative comments. I really couldn't give a shit what anybody thinks about my content. Obviously, deep down, I hope people like it, and I hope they get huge amounts of value from it, but I'm not going to let negative comments or any negativity stop me from striving to get better, you know. And it's all about stepping outside of your comfort zone. I know I keep going on about this, but get outside of your comfort zone. When you're outside of your comfort zone, you know that you're growing. And you'll never look back if you're consistent and take imperfect action. And like I said, perfection may or may not never come. It's a bit like yoga, you know. There's lots of things I'd like to be able to do in yoga, but it's my own practice. It's not doesn't matter what anybody else in the yoga room's doing or how good they are, or you know, it's about me. It's about me getting better and improving my yoga practice. And it's the same with video. It's the same with everything in life, I believe. But it's just, for me especially, I'm just telling you, video. Just my videos are getting better. I know that they are with practice, and I know that it'll happen for you. And just get the phone out. Like I said many times, it's just cost effective, it's cheap to do, and it's easy to do, and it gets easier and easier as you progress. So I hope you got some fantastic gold nuggets out of this video. If you did, please comment and share. I really, really appreciate it. I love you all. And of course, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And as always, if you want to get involved with affiliate marketing, there's a link below in the description, andrewplimmer.com. Go there. It's a fantastic affiliate marketing course. You can't go wrong. Just so much content, so much value, and it's free to get started, and it can potentially change your life if you take action. Okay then, guys, over and out. Talk to you soon. Bye now.